Dear members of Social Work Fraternity, on behalf of the local organizing team at Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad and National Association of Professional Social Workers in India, I am thankful to you all for the warm response for the 11th Indian Social Work Congress. I look forward to your participation in the Congress from 3rd to 5th November 2023. We are pleased to share with you that around 30 invited speakers for plenary sessions have confirmed to deliberate on social work pedagogy and practice from the lens of leave no one behind. We are grateful that few highly renowned scholars on critical social work pedagogy from different parts of the globe have kindly agreed for the pre-conference lectures, and soon these lectures will be available with us. We are also pleased to share that the 11th Indian Social Work Congress is being organized in collaboration with United Nations Population Fund, New Delhi. We look forward to welcome you at MANUU Hyderabad.